Everybody's striving for it all, wanting the riches of the world, silver and gold and precious stones, they're all falling down. Oh, everyone wants to be beautiful, everyone wants to be adored, everyone wants more and more, but they're all falling down. Lord, lift me up above the darkness of this world and set my thoughts on high. Self is gone and pride has died away, and I stand on the sure foundation of your word. The love of many has grown cold, but the love of self is strong. They smile at the world, but they're dead inside, as they all fall down. In this dark world we praise man, we worship the gods of our hands, blood and bone and wood and stone, but they all fall down. The prophet is in man. If you gain this whole world and lose your soul, yesterday's gone and tomorrow may never come, and the giver, the creator, he's forgotten. Lord, lift me up above the darkness of this world and set my thoughts on high. Well, self is gone and pride has died away, and I stand on the sure foundation of your love, the foundation of your love. Oh.